Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Choco Penguin from Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing a large curve across. Then from each end, let's curve it up and in, meeting at the top. Now let's hop in and let's draw the beak near the bottom by drawing a curve up in the center and another curve underneath. Now let's hop out and let's draw two large circles for the eyes. And color them both in black. Now let's move back in on top of the beak and we're going to draw a curve up and back down on top of each eye. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw some sprinkles. Let's start in the center and let's draw an oval shape on an angle. And then let's work our way around the top of the head in the same way. And then let's add a few sprinkles on top by drawing curves on top of the head. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start on each side and we're going to draw a curve down and in. And then let's form a drip pattern by bringing it down and up on each side. And one more larger one in the center. Now for the sides of the body, let's draw two angles down and in. And a curve across the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's draw a long curve down and up on each side. And lastly, at the bottom here, let's draw the feet. Let's draw two curves in the center and two on the outside. And close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for this cute Choco Penguin. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!